All right, traders, I am back again with another video. And in this video, I want to show you how you can make money trading with Ichimoku. So how you can make money trading any market with Ichimoku, basically, if you follow some of these simple concepts that I'm going to teach you. And I'm going to show you some basic stuff. So what I'm going to do is put out a series of videos. So I'm going to post them on my YouTube channel. So in order to catch those videos, I would like you to subscribe to my channel. So if you subscribe, you'll be able to catch these videos that I'm going to be putting out to you on a weekly basis. Put out 2 or 3 videos a week to help you to understand this Ichimoku system, show you how to trade it, and give you the basics of trading this thing and how to trade some very basic concepts that are going to help you to make some pretty good trades if you just follow the rules. All right, so I'm going to tell you about Ichimoku a little, but first, guys, please do subscribe. All right. And then the next thing, guys, I am trading one of my friend's accounts. So he asked me to trade his account. He gave me $1,000 account that he wanted me to trade. So this is one of the trades we just first took with his account. So C Ray, thank you for trusting me, my friend. But anyway, trading his account, I'm using this Ichimoku system. Now you can see I'm starting to lose some profit here, and I'm going to tell you why I'm losing profit right here, and we'll talk about that. But let me tell you what Ichimoku does for me. Ichimoku gives me these support and resistance levels into the future. All right. So 26 periods into the future. So that's 26 days into the future for me that I could see the support and resistance levels and the market bias possibilities. All right. And then Ichimoku shows me the equilibrium of the market. It shows me the support and resistance levels. All right. So there's so many concepts and aspects of Ichimoku, and it looks very confusing at first because you see all this scattered stuff, blah, blah, blah. But it's not that confusing, guys, because if you just take a little bit of time to learn something, you will start to understand it. But see, what the problem is most traders don't want to take time to learn. They want to take time to just make money, and they don't even want to take time to make the money, because that's why people are asking me to do this for them, because they don't want to take time to do it for themselves. All right. So most people are lazy, guys, and that's for real, because you don't want to take time to do your thing. Then you want to make money. I hear people tell me all the time, oh, I want to make money trading Forex, or I want to make money doing this, or I want to be successful at this, blah, blah, blah. Have you studied? Have you put in the time? Not yet. I don't have time because I'm busy at work, or I'm busy doing this, blah, blah, blah. How are you going to make money or be successful at whatever you want unless you study? So just studying Ichimoku for a little bit of time will help you. So I'm going to give you a little bit of courses to put out there for you, and basically I'm going to set up videos that are going to come out to my page every week that you're going to be able to learn this system. And if you just take the time to study these 10-minute videos, you'll understand Ichimoku. So you have to put in 10 minutes just to look at the video, and then after that you have to take a little bit of time to study your charts. So basically, guys, we're looking at this Ichimoku system here, and I'll get in deeper to Ichimoku sooner. I just want to explain to you this trade that I took so you can see, yes, this does work. It is something that you could do very profitable. So what I look for is these crossovers, right? So this Tenkan-sen here, which is this green line, blue line is Kijun-sen, and then of course your cloud span A and B. What I'm looking for is a crossover. So it's pretty much moving averages. That's all this is basically. So we got, in moving averages, you're looking for a death cross. You're looking for a golden cross. Well, here we got a death cross basically. All right. So when I get that crossover, I like to follow the direction of the market. All right. When I follow the direction of the market, I follow the market based off of bouncing off of these off of this Tenkan-sen level, and sometime the Kijun-sen level. So on a strong trend, we're not really getting back to Kijun-sen, so we pretty much bounce on Tenkan-sen. As the trend weakens, a lot of times we may get back to Kijun-sen, and then you may see the direction of the market change. And there's also some things with the cloud that show you the change of direction, so you know you might be at a bottom. But what we did here, so basically I like to follow these bounces, bounce off Tenkan-sen, bounce off Tenkan-sen, bounce, bounce, and then we got inside the TK zone here. We came out, then came back in and bounced off Tenkan-sen again, guys. This is where we took the trade, all right? So we took this trade right here on the daily time frame because we had big rejection of the level and basically an indecision candle that was rejected. All right, so when you see that big shooting star candle, boom, and this is nice rejection, put an entry below that level, market drop. Now I also use my Williams percent R. I like to see that Williams percent R break below the negative 820 level, and that shows me we lost momentum to the upside. Our momentum to the downside starts to continue. Boom, trade, boom, we're in the market. All right, so what I also like to do is go to the 4-hour time frame to get a better entry. Now, when I do that, let me show you. That's where we hit this Tinkinson level, right? Right there where this red line is, and this line right here that's going to be a vertical line that we just put on this green vertical line. So when I go to the 4-hour time period, just remember that. And I'm going to remove Ichimoku, because if I don't, you guys are going to get confused, because you're going to see different signals with Ichimoku on the 4-hour time frame. But when you make up your mind on the daily, why do you change it on the 4-hour? So you can't go to the daily and say, I'm gonna trade long, and then I'm gonna trade short, and then when you get to the 4-hour, say, I'm gonna trade long, and then you go down to an hourly and say, oh no, I'm gonna trade short. You're all confused. All right, so what you want to do, my friends, make up your mind on your time frame and trade it. Now I like to use the daily time frame because it shows me the strong market bias. All right, and it shows me what the overall market is for that day. So if this gets rejected today, I know that it's weak down here for buyers. I mean, for sellers. So it's going to be like, okay, I may want to take profits on that trade. Now you can see I'm starting to lose some profit, and I'm going to show you why. But anyway, let's go to that 4-hour time frame so I could show you what I'm doing real quick. So anyway, here's that level where Tinkinson was. That's our daily Tinkinson level. So the market goes up into that zone, that TK zone, then it breaks this level right here with a bearish engulfing candle right here. Should have been a good entry at this point, but instead we stayed on the daily, so we got in down here. Just going to the 4-hour gets you a little bit of better profit, but sometimes the risk is a little bit, to me, I'm getting less risk because I put a smaller stop loss at this point, right? And I don't change my stop loss based off of, I'm putting a stop loss based off of the daily. So I don't change it based on the 4-hour. I keep that stop loss, but I get a better entry, which limits my risk a little bit, right? So getting in here, I have more risk than I would getting in here. But anyway, when this took off for us on the 4-hour and also triggered us right here on the daily. So therefore the trade was going good. Now, when we go back to the daily, Ichimoku has deeper analysis than just the four moving averages that we talk about, pretty much the 5 moving averages that we talk about, because basically it has time analysis, all right, wave analysis, all right, observation theory. So I'm not going to get deep into that, but I'm going to show you that the market, pretty much when you're looking at this, it's a 1, 2, 3, 4 move we're looking for. This level here is 2. This level is fluctuation. When you take a trade in this area and you're following these end patterns, because that's what the market moves in, end patterns, because Ichimoku talks about end waves. So when the market moves in these wave patterns, if you can't violate this 2 level, and Ichimoku, they call this the fluctuation level, because a lot of times the market comes down to 2, goes back up, it forms 2, goes back up to 3, and then drops to 2 again and fails to break through sometime, and then that's where you see that ranging. All right, and that's how you know you may want to take your profit here. So it's looking like I'm getting rejected at this level, but I'll know more at the end of the day if I want to take my profit or not. But guys, looking here, when I entered this trade, I wanted to shoot for 2. Now my next target is going to be based off of my using my fib extension tool. All right, and basically the thing that it is, I set these numbers up. I can't really see this with that in the way. I set these numbers up based off of trading Ichimoku observation theory will give me this 1, 2, 3, 4 pattern, which is the N wave. So let me just show you right here real quick. So you got 1, 2, 3, and then we're shooting for 4, which will be down here. This 1-to-1 ratio move, which is at 157,502. The market, as I said, moves in the N wave, boom, boom, and then shooting for 4. If we can't get through 2, we won't make it to 4. But if we can get through 2, our possibility of making it to 4 is good. So today's Friday, and we may not get through this level, so I'll probably end up taking my profits and seeing what's gonna happen at that point. Maybe I get into the trade again. All right, but 2 is the fluctuation. So what happens is the market fails here. You'll see it this range in this area, and then break sometime or break back to the upside. All right, so that's why they call this the fluctuation level, because you see I'm having a hard time getting through there now. So guys, I want to teach you even more about this Ichimoku. I just wanted you to see this trade that we took, because I'm going to show you how to take other types of trades, but this is one of the better trades that you're going to be able to take because it follows the market very well. So I want to show you how to just do these simple, easy trades and using that price action. All right. So that's one of the trade setups that we're looking at right there. So guys, if you want to learn more, understand more about Ichimoku, please just subscribe to my channel. Just see how that says subscribe up there. I would just ask that you subscribe because I don't really ask people to subscribe to my channel because if you like it, you will. But I'm asking you, if you do like it, subscribe because now I'm going to put out some weekly videos that are going to really teach you how to trade this thing. So if you want to be in tune to each one, then do that because you'll be able to study, because most people don't take time to study. They don't take time to learn this stuff. They want to be profitable. They want to be good traders. They want to make money. They want to see them pips rolling in, but they don't want to take time to study and learn. That's why you see me doing this for some other people, okay? Trading their accounts because they don't have the time to do it, or they don't want to learn take time to do it. So therefore, guys, you got to learn, you got to take time, and I'm going to help you to learn by putting out these series of videos. So just subscribe to my channel, boom, click that red button, and you'll be good to go. You'll get a note, you'll get an email every time I subscribe. And if you like this video, let me know you liked it, because I never know if people like my content because nobody really likes my videos. They don't give me likes a lot. So why haven't you given me likes or hates? If you don't like it, let me know. And if you do like it, let me know. All right. So till next time, guys, stay tuned. We're going to come back with some more content. Just wanted you to see, making some pretty good trades here. Want to let you know how to get into some really nice opportunities. I'm going to teach you step by step how to take these trades. Then I'm going to show you step by step how to take the Kijinsen bounce trades, which is going to be pretty much just like Tinkinson. Then we'll talk about the Kumo breakout trades and so forth. So if you want to learn, please hit the subscribe button and I'll be here to help you. All right, guys, till next time, have a great one. God bless. So long.